Metal textures can look dull unless the surface lines and reflections are clearly defined. Today, how to create sharp metal textures. Open Photoshop and create a canvas around 3400 by 2600 pixels at 300 dpi. Import your metallic object image and duplicate the background layer immediately. Zoom closely into areas where reflections and textures appear. Open Camera Raw Filter and slightly increase texture and clarity to bring out scratches, brushed lines, or polished surfaces. Duplicate the layer again and apply Filter, Other, High Pass with a radius around 2 pixels, then switch the blend mode to Overlay for crisp